Experiencing issues with your Airalo eSIM? This guide will help you troubleshoot the most common problems with activation and signal connectivity. First, let's ensure your device is compatible with Airalo plans. Newer iPhone models, especially the iPhone 15 series and modern Android devices, have improved eSIM support. For activation problems, the most important requirement is a stable Wi-Fi connection. Initial eSIM setup requires internet connectivity to download your plan configuration. If you're having trouble scanning the QR code, lighting conditions are crucial. Poor lighting is one of the most common causes of scanning failures. Airalo's recent app updates have simplified the manual installation process. If QR code scanning fails, you can manually enter the eSIM details. For signal and connectivity issues, the most common problem is disabled data roaming. International connectivity requires data roaming to be enabled in your device settings. Incorrect APN settings are another common cause of connection problems. The access point name tells your device how to connect to the mobile network. If problems persist, try manually selecting a network in your device settings. Sometimes automatic network selection doesn't choose the best available carrier. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most Airalo eSIM activation and signal issues. Remember to check device compatibility first, ensure stable Wi-Fi for activation, enable data roaming, and verify your APN settings. Compatibility issues between devices can create significant challenges when using Airalo eSIM services. The main differences arise from how iOS and Android implement eSIM technology. Understanding the key differences between eSIM and physical SIM cards helps identify compatibility issues. eSIM technology offers more flexibility, but requires proper device support. One of the most common compatibility problems is carrier-locked devices. If your device is locked to a specific carrier, it may prevent eSIM activation entirely. To check if your device is carrier-locked, navigate to your device settings. On Android devices, go to Connections and then SIM Manager to verify your carrier status. For optimal performance, activate your Airalo eSIM 24 to 48 hours before traveling. This timing ensures proper network registration and reduces activation issues at your destination. Always maintain a backup plan by keeping your physical SIM card available. This provides a fallback option if you encounter any eSIM connectivity issues during travel. Airalo has introduced comprehensive in-app troubleshooting tools and real-time chat support to help resolve technical issues quickly and efficiently. Network congestion during peak usage times can significantly affect signal quality and data speeds. Understanding this helps set proper expectations for performance. By following these compatibility checks and optimization strategies, you can resolve most Airalo eSIM issues and enjoy seamless connectivity during your travels.